Ningethe nkatho na Anchone Mutegeri nguchokere nkatho cha mwanya nutubako na kanya kugwatanira na woni kiri Weru Thaa Mugwanja betagwa NTINYARI KINYUA tukianjiria tuche twa boda boda kumantere cha Igembe Central na Igembe North nibachumiretie na kumeneria michemanira ithiritwe gikwa garuni ya rais akiuga atongeria ba ndwangi mwanya barabethiritwe bagitwa na gukinya garuni ute atongeria ba uma bakinda nandi mutaratara jurajo batere gutumika kenda bo kinya bomba kwithiro bagikinya ntere ire ndi class bare gatumithia.
Nyuma ya rais Daktari William Ruto gutirimana na atongoria babonda bonda kuma ntere mwanya ikarone ebia rais ntere eche Nairobi ende na atongoria kuma ntere eche Igembe batongoretwe ne akaririte ebia bonda bonda aba Igembe South Igembe Central wamwe na North ibareganite enonto bobo bakiuga botire bubaramenya na orara atongoretie anto bara irete Nairobi kuma kaunti ya Meru timotongoria bonda bonda
na onto arari na anto bonda bonda batu atongeria ba bonda bonda de kurutheria atongeria bonde begembe baratoritanairie nabo bonde na ba nara tigane batoritanairie nabo ngwe utewe urari ki sekteu toibo kurutheria no urari nabo twerwa ni muntu weto barasa no uraendetia atongeria ba Meru county na Meru county ne mari ya thatu ate akwina tigania Igembe na Imenti na barasa ate utambua utongeria bwembe kwa nda ateme akumba kwethirwa ni wewe utongeria Meru county na atotambu utongeria boembe
Meru county kuina cartel ya ifomere ara Meru town ya kwa injaki manto ya bikibiki na any opportunity ile kuira ya manto ya bikibiki na cartel we tongere tu muntu witwa John Baraza ntukweru ari inkwenda kuwa na tuitangaza tu utongeria bo Igembe that Baraza te muntu bikibiki na ntukweru ari ndenda kuwa unonto John Baraza na rayukiria antu abekira reflector etabo Meru town etabo Nairobi neta awibo atongeria ba bikibiki ba Meru county lakini murato komenya uti constituency kinyemwe ndene Meru county ite chairman yoyo na monka thai ndina atongeria bakwa baratu tongeria cia bo sector bikibiki Igembe wa Igembe South wa Igembe North na uni wa Igembe Central na uti umwe wetu urari mucemanio na Nairobi
oguba kioria araisi na ethirwa gitumira anjira ingi imbega cha ukinyira anto babonda bonda
tukwera raisi ibo ya nonto ba weta anto babikibiki lakini amenya atire atetero anto babikibiki na atumire strategy embea eweta anto babikibiki kinya ageke kulukira ambunge beto women rep beto na kinya ngabana na kinya ma MCAs
tutena mutongeria wongose ta bikibiki cietu cia Meru kintu kira twina kyo ni atongeria Igembe South twina chairman Taniu uni Igembe North twina Jadiero Central twina Bwana Gitonga Barasa twamwingire egure muikuthiria manto ya wamba wa bikibiki to batu tutena mutongeria yo ogure Bwana Barasa ende monga thaitu rua Barasa ni Koniman
Bwana Barasa no menye wina kateo ciaku tuti utambua we mutongeria bikibiki ni Meru county so ntukweru ari mantu yera yethete yake injaka wa ara Meru town ruare itokuito ito yakinyete mwisho atutaka hapa tuolelia tuona muntu aisieta aiwe mutongerio Meru county ara Meru town no ndo ai Meru town atukuria ainjake opportunities cia antu ba bikibiki na any opportunity ire kuire mantu ya bikibiki
kuma Igembe North Petan class Chabare.
Tukitana mbere na tutoingi na ndi gavana wa kaunti Embu Cecily Mbarire nekirite wirane akariba ntere cha Manyata na kubera ari na mabateti gwa mpione kirimantu jege witina mbere kinyakethera mubunge wao ni mukunji nethiritwe ate kugwata mbaru thirikari mukunji kwa kagita nethiritwe akioneka kambine ya Rigathi Gachagua.
Ningetaka pia kuchukua hii nafasi kuambia watu wa Manyata kwamba mutafikiwa na development kutoka national government na musijali. Hiyo development ambayo munahitaji mimi mwenyewe na iskuma kutoka national, kutoka kwa president. Tukienda kuongea mambo ya barabara, mimi napatiana list za barabara za Manyata bila uoga. Kwa sababu mimi niko kwa serikali ndani. na nikiwa kwa serikali ndani na nimechaguliwa pia kama governor na watu wa Manyata, kazi yangu ni kutetea Manyata. Na kama watu wengine wameamua kwenda opposition, wewe enda opposition, ufanye siasa yako ya opposition, sisi tufanye siasa ya development ya watu wa Manyata. Na ningetaka kusema hivi, mtu asiseme uko opposition na ukiona barabara inatengenezwa na national government na William Ruto na ni sisi tumesukuma, uko hapo kupiga picha ukisema ni wewe umeleta. Tunajua kuna kazi unafanya isipokuwa mdomo. Wewe endelea na mdomo. Sisi wacha tufanye development ya watu wetu. Na ningetaka kuhakikisha watu wa Manyata, mkiniona hapa, mjue nitawatetea mpaka kwa President William Ruto. Barabara ya Kivwe Kidhimu mpaka Ena, hiyo tunakuja kuweka lami. Hiyo iko kwa budget. Hiyo iko kwa budget. Tuliketi chini na president nikamwelezea juu ya barabara hiyo, na iko na separate contract ambayo ni separate na ya Kivwe Kivuti. Ndio ipatiwe separate contractor ambaye ataweza kutengeneza hiyo barabara. Na ningetaka kuambia watu wa Kidhimu hivi, president aliniambia hajawahi sahau ile mkutano tulifanya pale Kidhimu market. Ndio watu wetu waweze kupata, ndio aweze kupata kura za watu wa Kidhimu. Na akaniambia ni kazi yake kuhakikisha amerudisha hiyo mkono wa kusema asanti kwa watu wa Kidhimu.
Atute na mbere na nteto ingi aria kiri uria daktari utukubona aro tukwenda kwariria mantu jegie high risk pregnancies kana kwithirwa mwekurari ugwatine ndira gwata eu mantu jomba kwithirwa jagikarikira ekuru barabari na miaka 35 gwitia.
Iboega emdet kere oria daktari ntukuwa tukiariria manto magukonia pregnancies kana mimba na mono pregnancy achiwa igitwa high risk pregnancies. Imbitugaga ni high risk pregnancy. High risk pregnancy tuga ni mimba ira yomba kwegua ikiretera mwekuru kana mwana kwa ena risk ya complications either akitara mimba kana rira kugia na mwana kana nyuma rira mwana achara kwa ena complications. 80% ya pregnancies shiwa itaina any risk in their normal pregnancies, lakini about 20% ishigawa shena risk. Unfortunately, oto tiomba kumenya which pregnancies yomba kwewa etaina any risk at all. Kwa lakini tugakore ira tuije kabisa kama ukwa wena this condition nigo area a high risk pregnancy. Tia turaide nide kwena tugashi high risk pregnancies inechije kene kabisa kama these pregnancies at a risk na mwekororia kama tete that time we na mwana wamba kwa bare at risk ya kuwa bare na complications. First ni kile side ya mwekoro. Okaya kuwa mwekoro aina kodi na murimo tatu ya murimo wa nkoro. Kabisa mwekoro ari at risk there aina pregnant na pia during the delivery no iwe ikimiki problem yake ya heart disease ikiwa ikiwasen off. Na dira mwekoro na condition ya heart disease actually to recommendaga mwekuru first akamba kuraithwa mbere nyatira ya atatuika pregnant kenda aerokethera are stable enough kenda omba kwa advice wa no athiaida atuika pregnant. The other condition ya mwekuru omba kwa ene wakatuika aya nanda kwa risk pregnancy ni kethera mwekuru arena thyroid disease. Thyroid disease ni tuije thyroid ni wekiruta hormones na rira mwekuru pregnant hormones ino cia thyroid ni wiki affect the pregnancy kana inya hormones cia pregnancy kwa ni affect the disease area ya thyroid. Kuria mwekro ena thyroid disease na ari pregnant it will consider that as a high-risk pregnancy. Commonly, mwekoro aina kinyam condition tutaga diabetes mellitus. Kwena ekoro baingi bakuwa baina diabetes na suba baina pregnancy. Ituye diabetes ni affectaga mwekoro na mwana. Na muno diabetes weki affecti mwana ni kwethirwa ati mwana amba guciarwa ena ekewe ari monene mono na gitarea delivery watuka nakuwa aina problem ya delivery kana ukiwa nyake ciara gachira aina complications either chiankoro kana other abnormalities associated with the diabetes ireta well controlled beratira na mwana. The other condition which is also very common kire mwekoro iratugani high risk ni kwethirwa mwekoro aina high blood pressure kana hypertension. Hypertension ni where ikiwa at risk both to the mother and to the baby. Gitumi kwethirwa pressure kwa kinyako ni ari well controlled ya mwekoro ena anda nontu ba hormone cia pregnant tuka pressure ni utuka uncontrolled tu ni kuongereka nkuruki na sometimes mono kinyake wa ikiridi ke other complications tuije mono kwa condition kire kurwa kama teta ira yetwa PET kana eclampsia ira nije kene is the second commonest cause ya etema ekoro pakua kwa ugure mwekoro na high blood pressure itunito recomendaga ewe akithingatwa very closely in the high risk clinic na akomba kwa ake tuika control na blood pressure na kinya kurigeria complication kimba kwa kimo affect kana iki affect mwana. The other condition ya mwekoro mbakwe ikiwa ina high risk ni kwethirwa blood group. Okay, kwethirwa mwekoro ina blood group ila tuga rhesus factor negative. Ntuga mwekoro beta kwa kithingatirwa in the high risk clinic nuntu okaya kwethirwa ina rhesus negative na akaya kuyana mwana aina rhesus positive omba kwewa ake affect the next babies paraga chiara especially bakaya kwewa baina rhesus negative ko mwekoro na rhesus negative factor na iwa tuka recommended athingatirwe during the high risk clinic during the pregnancy nontu okaya kwa na kama tete mwana ena rhesus negative na mwana wa tuka affected unyano iwa atiomba gukora bwegare in the uterus kana daga agachiarwa arena problem.
Rawari munino Rais Rigathi Gachagua netithite na mbere ndiunga yawe ntere cia Amerika aria arikitie gukinya mucine jwa California na aria ombite kuika gikaro na bamwe ba miru barabaturaga nteriu akibarombo gwati mbaru kumugwatia kuinga Rais Ruto kire ithurano bya 2027.
The fear of arrest was part of my thinking. I'll never do anything, I'll just stay in the house. Every day they discuss me in parliament for 2 hours and say they will arrest me. I just move on. I am not a leader who buys fear. And as I have explained, I think Murkomen is lost. I am not the one who have launched investigations against William Ruto. It's the American Senate. Those issues were raised by the Americans, not myself. So I have nothing useful I can tell him. But if the Americans want me to assist in the investigations, I would, because that's where the investigation is. I am not aware of any investigation on William Ruto by the Kenyan police. Again, Kipchumba Murkomen has been telling us that the National Police Service is independent and they do not take instructions from anybody, including himself. How then can he purport to give instructions to the National Police Service at the same time say that the National Police Service is independent? When my day to go to Kenya is due, I'll announce the date,
yes,
the hour, and the flight number.
Thank you very much.
So that whoever is interested in arresting me can go ahead and do it. And let me tell you, I was arrested many times before the new administration. I never changed my stand. In fact, it hardened my resolve. All those things they are doing, they are just hardening the resolve of our supporters, you know? And I want to tell them, you cannot use criminal justice system to suppress freedom of speech and expression. It's a very outdated practice that was tried by Moi. It cannot work. I don't think by him threatening that he can arrest me can make me not express what I need to. So I'll continue with what I'm doing, and if they want to arrest me, I am a Kenyan, the courts are there, they'll take me to court, I'll go there, and if they have any charges against me, they will prefer them. But as I am saying, I am not the problem in this matter. They know where those allegations have come from. They have come from here in the United States. I just pointed out and said, my friend, don't hide behind China. These are the questions the Americans are asking you. Why did you meet so-and-so? Why are you interfering here?
Yeah.
So they can go ahead and do what they want to do, but I want to confirm that I don't buy fear. I cannot be intimidated by anybody, and that is me. And that Mukome knows me. He knows what my stand is.
Yes.
He does.
Thank you very much.
Tanambera kurumira Nteto chetu nchokerete na Nteto nkuru kinyume kagita gate kurajoke bibye mutambo.
Inya *812*969# kugwata kadil jasikiza tuni yeku.
Mambo, najua niko na kaloni kako, nakumbuka tu nimeona tu simu yako nikajua ni kaloni. Lakini kuna kadil nakafanya hii wiki tu. Hata nitakupigia simu nikiwa katikati ya deal. Au unajua siwe peke yako na didai loan, kuna banks na nidai loan. Hata saa hii tunaongea hivi tu saa hii. Wamenitumia message na wewe pia ukanipigia na najua ni loan. Hiyo deal nitakupigia nikiwa katikati ya deal. Niko na kadil. Hata ukisikia nikikaita kadil, ni deal kubwa na utapata pesa mpaka unipee change. Hii wiki tu. Nakulipa tu hii wiki tu bro. Chill. Ni chill tu.
Inya *812*969# kugwata kadil jasikiza tuni yeku.
Meru National Polytechnic nigituge na njoru ya ubundi note anthigurune kuma kwambirirwa kwa mwaka jwa 1953 ni cukuru igarukite na kwa king'ina kya nthiguru gukuria ngugi cia njara. Wiritaniria gwetu ni kwarito beto uritani bugwetaniria negita uba umenyo na dhamana ya muturire kubathuranira ni untu bamaite na mena mira jareja ciuma iria muturirene.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Ooh, what's it? Iko on. Kila game ina mata. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Mogori wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watwekawe na kioria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729661667 kana 0755200197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
The stage is hotter. The pressure unmatched on Next Superstar. The top 10 contestants are giving it everything they've got. Renew your subscription for 2 months on your current bouquet and get upgraded to the next bouquet for 60 days. The battle is on for the crown of Africa's next hit maker. Every performance could be their big break, or the final bow? Who will rise? Who will fall? Who will win it all? Renew your subscription for 2 months on your current bouquet and get upgraded to the next bouquet for 60 days. On the move, stream every performance live on Star Times on. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Bege gwitana mbere kurumira Nteto cheto tugichokera achethi ba maili tatu barani bo achindi banki ndani ya tournament ya mwenda nibombeta kwithirwa bakimeneria kwa mukira chiringi ngiri 20 bakiuga baraba achindire igembe South bethirwa bakinenkirwa ngiri 100 arena ndi baete MCA wao mathaa 20 na jana kuongera mbecheji kana bamuchokeria.
Batwe ndeto ari amubira ko itombere kodura twenda final ndeto ari nyati msiare na siasa za kuma Saturday na igese yakela ningo sada stadi ndeto mala rashimisha yetu ya tingi mno bito ko ari batu to ari agavana tebo mondali ya dairena ambo to promiso to kati me kedro kenengero a mese kedro sindete na mbantu tombere konengero ngiti 20 CDMN na re na bongo bombo konengero a mese sio bombo konengero 7k yo 7000 kwa Saturday ariba sedete before lunch ariba ribo mbere kwa lunch na bomba kudura bakya bakerera wangarama na bare ado more than 25 na timu ira ari dengene hero kinjenge final eyo seda Sunday final na basende denge before lunch ariba no bare ya lunch okedro tolo ele mantu yara ari na nito asindiri imagine olo ele ari bara besi sio bombero tumira tukitoeta la lunch na ngarabi batu birite kidan the last day na tukwingi no batu mirite ngirithano na tukwingi batu mirite ngirithano na tukwingi batu mirite ngirithano tebo tukasire shwale onto tukonengero ngiri mwanja tukurengero ngiri mwanja ni ngiri mwanja natasi atedia asikari ya muzethi mubira sikaura imbi sikaura kweli batu tukendere kwenda ngendo wa gender equality na ngendo wa gender equality noko tanto ba abashima ba tupate yete ke politiki kule football na tatu akule timu yari na tatu akule timu na yeye na watu wa sports lakini tunaenda mtu wa politics ya siasa tole ile game tatu united niyo mbere kwa number 1 team women base the game 1 2 3 4 5 that's muyu muri yomona kiumia imagine that these are men but tumerambesa tukithurunga njia tueta neutral grounds tuatumira mbesa yana tutumengaramia ya tutumira ndero tarengaramia kama ta 25 nito kwa refa tukore wa at least bareta refa lakini atara kama tangaramia 25 bakara lunch na sasa diboto na bunje nzi ni aditwa youth batana mbesa na fika korea wedio longa njia tokeza bekari alafu na iba kwa training na museti to promise to mora training yora uko na ruto promise ta sasa aberatia kuna mbesa fulani ntoko na besinda bato promise sasa bato aberatia babo training to sasa vitamina moral to mekela mtu akaa na mbesa mtoto atarita kwa sababu kunenga madhaba mbesa yanko ingiriite izo mbesa to atarita tuwero homa lakini gavana kwa ya kaya sawa moda bato kwa more than ingiriite na gavana na area gavana
Muthenya ntusona njira ndi kunguchokiria nkatho nontu bakona kanya kugwatanira na uni kwendera kagita gake gatuchemania kairu na cheri ngathe mwena nusu kirintu cha Weru weekend betagwa NTINYARI KINYUA.